Ever wonder if your books have a life of their own? Well, in this library, they actually have wings. This is the Library of Whispering Wings. Every book here is a paper drake, a tiny dragon made of parchment that carries a living story. Thousands of them flutter through these floating aisles. Meet Leo, the new librarian. He had one job, keep the stories quiet. But one massive sneeze later. Achoo! He triggered a total book storm. Stories exploded everywhere. It's a disaster. Cinderella is trying to fly a rocket ship, and knights are chasing runaway pies. If Leo doesn't catch them, the happily ever afters will be mixed up forever. Armed with a magical net, Leo's diving through the air. It's an